Q8399. The time/current capacities of a circuit breaker or fuse must be A. Above those of the associated conductor. B. Equal to those of the associated conductor. C. Below those of the associated conductor. The correct answer is C. The time/current capacities of a circuit breaker or fuse must be below those of the associated conductor. Circuit breakers and fuses are designed to protect the wiring and electrical components in an aircraft. They are selected and rated based on their ability to interrupt the circuit and protect against excessive current, ensuring that they are capable of tripping or blowing before the conductor is subjected to damaging levels of current. 8400. 1. Most modern aircraft use circuit breakers rather than fuses to protect their electrical circuits. 2. Part 23 requires that all electrical circuits incorporate some form of circuit protective device. Regarding the above statements, A. Only 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. The correct answer is A. Most modern aircraft do indeed use circuit breakers rather than fuses to protect their electrical circuits. However, Statement 2 is not entirely true. While Part 23 does require the incorporation of circuit, 8401. Electrical switches are rated according to the A. Voltage and the current they can control. B. Resistance rating of the switch and the wiring. C. Resistance and the temperature rating. The correct answer is A. This means that the switch is designed to handle a specific voltage level without experiencing voltage breakdown or arcing, and it can safely carry a certain amount of current without overheating or causing damage. The voltage rating of a switch indicates the maximum voltage that can be safely controlled by the switch without causing insulation failure or arcing. It ensures that the switch can handle the electrical potential difference present in the circuit. 8402. Electrical circuit protection devices are installed primarily to protect the A. Switches, B. Units, C. Wiring. The correct answer is C. The purpose of circuit protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, is to safeguard the electrical wiring from excessive current flow that could lead to overheating, short circuits, and potential fire hazards. These devices are designed to detect abnormal currents and quickly interrupt the circuit to prevent damage to the wiring and associated electrical components. 8403. 1. Electrical circuit protection devices are rated based on the amount of current that can be carried without overheating the wiring insulation. 2. A trip-free circuit breaker makes it impossible to manually hold the circuit closed when excessive current is flowing. Regarding the above statements, A. Only 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. The correct answer is C. Electrical circuit protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, are indeed rated based on the amount of current they can safely carry without causing overheating of the wiring insulation. This rating ensures that the device will trip or open the circuit when the current exceeds its rated capacity, preventing damage to the wiring. A trip-free circuit breaker is designed in such a way that it cannot be manually held in the closed position when excessive current is flowing through the circuit. This feature ensures that the circuit breaker will automatically trip and open the circuit when it detects an overload or fault condition, even if someone attempts to hold it closed.